So, very good morning to all of you, and welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Study Adda. So, today once again I have brought top 17 important current affairs for you today. So, let's start with the very first question of the day, and I would also request today to please subscribe and share our channel if you find it relevant for you. So, let's start. Who inaugurated Product Application and Development Center PADC at Odisha's Paradeep? So this has been launched by Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who is from Odisha itself. So right answer is option C, Dharmendra Pradhan, who is the Petroleum Minister right now. Yesterday, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also inaugurated Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan to generate employment for 1.25 migrant workers under the leadership of Yogi Adityanath in UP. Next, which state will launch Mukhyamantri Matru Pushti Upahar scheme? So this will be launched by Tripura. Right answer is option A, Tripura. The scheme will provide nutrition kits to pregnant and lactating women in order to combat infant and maternal mortality and malnutrition. Next, interesting one. Which airport has become India's first airport to install AWMS technology on runway? So the right answer is Bengaluru Airport. Option B, Bengaluru Airport. AWMS is an aviation weather monitoring system. Next, who has launched the behavior change campaign Navigating the New Normal? This is relating to the awareness of use of sanitizers, masks and all. And this has been launched by Niti Aayog. Right answer is option D, Niti Aayog has launched the behavior change campaign Navigating the New Normal, and it has been done in partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, BMGF. Next, who is said to become first female president of MCC in its 233 years of history after the 10-year dates over of Kumar Sangakkara, who is the current MCC president? And the right answer is option B, Claire Connor. Claire Connor. She is currently the head of English women's cricket team and the current president, and also the first non-British MCC president whom I was talking about, Kumar Sangakkara, has nominated her for the next MCC president. Next, which actress has become the ambassadors for the 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival TIFF 2020? So the right answer is Priyanka Chopra. Option D, Priyanka Chopra. Along with her, Anurag Kashyap has also been nominated as the ambassador for TIFF 2020. Next, which team's women cricketer, wicketkeeper batsman Russell Priest retired recently? So Russell Priest belongs from New Zealand. Right answer is option B, New Zealand. Next, which country's company Energia plans to take first tourist on spacewalk in 2023? So right answer is Russia. Option C, Russia. RSC Energia is a part of the Roscosmos, Russia space agency. Next, which team recently won English Premier League for the first time? And the right answer is option B, Liverpool has won the English Premier League title for the first time. Next, Harita Haram program is an initiative of which state? So this is an initiative of option D, Tripura. Harita Haram program. Sorry, the right answer is option C, Telangana. Harita Haram program is an initiative of Telangana. Option C, Telangana is the right answer. and the target of this program is to plant 30 crore saplings across the state. Yes, Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao also inaugurated Urban Forest Park at Narsapur. Next, which state amended its Industries Facilitation Act for attracting investments? So this amendment has been done in Karnataka. The right answer is option A, Karnataka. Gujarat and Rajasthan have also amended the Industries Act, but only for small industries. But the amendment by Karnataka is for all small, medium and large industries of the state. Next, after the amendment in the conduct of election rule, the age limit for senior citizens to opt for postal ballot in Lok Sabha and Assembly elections has been reduced from 80 to dash years. So the right answer is option C, 65. The age has been reduced from 80 to 65 years. Now we have to understand what does this postal ballot means. This facility to vote is for those who are disabled, physically challenged, and also for the people who are mostly aged and senior citizens. So earlier the age was 80, but now after the situation of coronavirus, the age has been reduced to 65 years so that those people who are above 65 years can have the options to vote from their home also, which is known as postal ballot during the Lok Sabha or their assembly elections. Next, NASA's headquarter building has been named after whom? So this has been named after Mary Jackson. Right answer is option A, Mary Jackson. And the headquarter of NASA, as you know, is at Washington DC. This is also very important from exam point of view. Next, Vinnie Mahajan, the IAS officer, became the first woman chief secretary of which state? So the right answer is Punjab. Option B, Punjab. The chief minister is Captain Amrinder Singh. Next, who recently inducted indigenously developed torpedo decoy system? So this has been inducted by Indian Navy. Right answer is option B, Indian Navy. A torpedo is a self-propelled underwater missile that can be launched from a surface vessel, submarine and airplane. Next, which weightlifter had won Arjuna Award in 2018? So this was won by Sanjita Chanu, weightlifter Sanjita Chanu. Option D. The two-time Commonwealth Games gold medalist Sanjita Chanu was cleared of doping charges earlier this month by the International Weightlifting Federation, after which it has been decided that she will be getting the Arjuna Award of 2018, which she got that time, after the doping charges has been cleared by the International Weightlifting Federation. And here comes the last question of the day. Who inaugurated Defence Conclave 2020 Gujarat, organized by Confederation of Indian Industry CII? So this has been inaugurated by Raksha Rajya Mantri Sripad Naik. Raksha Rajya Mantri, option D, Sripad Naik. So that's all from today. Stay safe, take care.